Good morning students. In today's video, we will start the last paragraph of our essay, that is national prejudices. In our last some videos related to this essay, we have completed various types of the thoughts given by writer. After the conclusion of all starting videos related to this essay, we can rightly prove that the ideas given by writer are fully justified and suggestible. As we just start in today's class, we will start last two videos. They are pending. Before we just going to start to read its text, it is must to know about the complete summary, so that we can come attached and involve to the part of today's video. After 3 or 4 videos related to national prejudices, writer proved that one basic thing, one basic conception, and according to that conception, he wanted to show that the complete world is the family, and the particular countries, the particular nations are although the part, but similarly we can consider it a single broad nation, a single great country. The word country and the word world, that is different, but here in this essay we can read it, we can analyze it in single way, that the complete world is a family, and we can consider the complete world as a broad nation, and various countries of this broad nation, there may be like India, or there may be like another type of the countries presented in the essay, the various nations of Europe. If we consider all these nations separately, then different ideas will coming out. So we can consider that although we are living in India, although someone is living in different part of the world, as in the essay there are various types of the countries, Dutch, Spain, German. Even if we consider all these countries as one, then surely we can prove it, then surely we can suggest it, then surely the title is applicable. That was given by writer, that we are the citizen of world. This is the motto of essay, and we should consider it clearly in mind. Whatever our country is, whatever citizenship we have, whatever there is any nationality, it is not any important matter. In which country we are living, that is another matter. But if you want to show your love for your particular country, it is your morality, it is your sensitive obligation that you must love our country. But there is not any type of the condition, there is not any type of the compelling that we attack upon another countries. And why we attack upon another countries? We attack upon another countries only to show, or we can think about it that according to this way, if we attacking another country, our love for our particular country increased. This is our thinking. This is our mentality. This is the mentality of that person who is thinking about it. But it is not a good thinking. We must improve and fertilize our mentality. We must purify our mentality, that it is not necessary to attack another country to show your love for your country. It is not necessary. you can show your love without attacking another country. This is the prime objective of this peace. Or if we attack upon another countries without knowing anything about, without have any type of the knowledge to a concerned country, that is not a good thing. You love your country, but you also love to another countries. It is a good habit of your country love. That's why in last paragraphs there is very, you can say, suggestive ideas, very appreciate logics given by writer. You are now requested to read its text. So requested to open your textbook and then start to read the last paragraph of essay. And now we are going to start page number 31 according to mine. Page number 31, or whatever book you have, it is not important. You must have the text, or in the text the last paragraph that starts from, is it not very possible that, से लेकर के the last whatever तक we will start to read. Now just read. Is it not very possible that I may love my own country without hating the native other countries? Question mark. Right? Just ask the question to his readers that, my dear readers, is it not possible? Means it is possible. It is easily possible. Or we must accept this possibility. We must search out this possibility that it is possible to show your love for your country. It is easily acceptable to show your country, but not the need to attack upon another country. Because it just display your dirty mentality. It just display your, you can say, corrupted mentality. So you have the, you should just start the ability to show your love for your country and also your love for another type. Vasudev to become the complete family, the complete world that is like a family. So is it not possible? Means very possible. क्या ये बिल्कुल ही संभव नहीं है? That I may love my own country, कि आप अपने देश से प्रेम करें without hating the native of another countries, बिना दूसरे देशों के जो नेटिव है, नागरिक हैं, प्रवासी हैं, उनसे ईर्ष्या किए. तो बिना दूसरे देशों के निवासियों से, प्रजातियों से, नागरिकों से बिना ईर्ष्या किए क्या ये संभव नहीं है कि आप अपने देश प्रेम को दर्शा सकें? मतलब इट इज पॉसिबल, यह संभव है. और इफ इट इज पॉसिबल देन व्हाई वी आर डूइंग दीज डर्टी टास्क? और इफ इट इज पॉसिबल देन व्हाई वी शोइंग आवर हेट फॉर अनदर कंट्रीज? और अगर ये संभव है तो फिर अपन अपनी ईर्ष्या दूसरे देशों के प्रति क्यों शो करते हैं, क्यों उजागर करते हैं? कहने का मतलब अन्य देशों की ईर्ष्या किए बिना, अन्य देशों के नागरिकों से घृणा किए बिना हम अपने देश के प्रति अपना प्रेम शो कर सकते हैं. राइटर पूछना चाहता है कि क्या ऐसा संभव नहीं है? मतलब ऐसा संभव है. राइटर सेज दैट इज इट नॉट पॉसिबल, देन आवर आंसर, योर आंसर और एवरीवन्स आंसर मस्ट बी दैट यस इट इज पॉसिबल, दैट वी कैन शो आवर लव फॉर आवर कंट्री एंड डोंट शो द हेट फॉर अनदर कंट्री. That I may exert the most heroic bravery, the most undaunted resolution in defending its laws and liberty without disposing all the rest of the world as proud and patrons. क्या राइटर कह रहा है कि अगर ऐसा संभव है, if you are speaking like it, if you behave like it, then I think you are the great person. Then I think you are the brave person. You have the braveness to speak about it. दूसरे देशों की ईर्ष्या न करना अपने आप में एक बहादुरी है राइटर के हिसाब से. लेखक राइटर के हिसाब से वो व्यक्ति ब्रेव है जो अन्य देशों की उपेक्षा किए बिना उनकी प्रशंसा कर कर भी अपने देश के प्रति अपना प्रेम शो कर रहा है। राइटर के हिसाब से एक मतलब आयरनिकल वे में राइटर कह रहा है कि ये एक बहादुर व्यक्ति ही कर सकता है। हालांकि देयर इज नॉट एनी नीड, ओनली इट इज द मेथड ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, ओनली इट इज द मीडियम टू स्पीक, तो वी कैन इजीली स्पीक इट, देन व्हाई देयर इज द नीड टू स्पीक अबाउट इट? There is not any need to speak about it, so we must think about it that it is easily possible. So that's why means the basic conception that was given by writer that all we must show our love for our countries, and it is not the basic requirement to show our love for our country. Next part में most certainly it is, and if it were not, why need I suppose that absolutely impossible? Yes, why need I suppose? राइटर कहता है कि अगर ऐसा हो जाए, कैसा? everyone would behave like the brave, कैसा? everyone love to every country, कैसा? everyone show his love for country without hating another country. It is easily possible. Writer says that if it is easily possible, then I want this possibility as soon as possible. But if it were not, और अगर ऐसा नहीं होता है, both aspects are working here. I must or I should prefer the title of ancient philosopher. तो राइटर कहता है अगर ऐसा संभव नहीं, if it is not possible, then writer here gives the example of a great philosopher. Now writer says that if it is not easily possible, then I just want to give, or I just want to speak a very great important thought of a philosopher. That was also given in the last book. I must own I should prefer the title of the ancient philosopher. एक प्राचीन दार्शनिक व्यक्ति का एक स्टेटमेंट जो राइटर यहाँ पे लिखना चाहता है। कब? ऐसी हालत में जब उसको लगता है कि इट इज नॉट इजीली पॉसिबल टू अडॉप्ट, इट इज नॉट इजीली पॉसिबल टू एक्सेप्ट, ये आसानी से स्वीकार करने लायक नहीं है, यानी ये बात संभव है ही नहीं कि हम अपने देश का प्रेम बिना ईर्ष्या किए अन्य देशों से कर सकते हैं। अगर ये बिल्कुल ही संभव नहीं है, पहले तो राइटर कह रहा है व्हाई इट इज नॉट इम्पॉसिबल, इट इज इम्पॉसिबल, इवन देन बोथ एस्पेक्ट्स आर वर्किंग इफ इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, ऑल्दो इट इज पॉसिबल, बट राइटर इज थिंकिंग फ्रॉम बोथ एस्पेक्ट्स, फ्रॉम ब्रॉड एस्पेक्ट, और इफ इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल देन ही रिमाइंड्स अस a quote, he reminds us a statement of a great philosopher, or what that statement is. That statement I just write on the blackboard, or you just accept it, a citizen of the world. That was written by a citizen of world. If we can consider this line, a citizen of world, A is using for everyone, A is using for you, A is using for me, or A is using for every creature of world. Or if that person, that every creature must accept it, that I am the citizen of world, he is the citizen of world, we are the citizen of world, you are the citizen of world, that means we can prove its possibility. अगर हर व्यक्ति जब ये सोचने लग जाए उस महान दार्शनिक की बात को कि हम सब संपूर्ण विश्व के नागरिक हैं, अकॉर्डिंग टू राइटर होप दैट देयर मे बी समथिंग चेंजेस. दिस स्टेटमेंट कैन चेंज द साइकोलॉजी, दिस स्टेटमेंट कैन चेंज द आइडियोलॉजी, और दिस स्टेटमेंट कैन चेंज द मेंटालिटी ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग, that they just start to think about it, that they just start to accept about it, or they just speak that yes, I am the citizen of the world. So this is very important line which indicate about the complete brotherhood of world, which indicates about the complete sense of brotherhood, the complete sense of unity. This is reunion. This is unity. We must believe in that the complete world is our family. Of that of an Englishman, a Frenchman, a European, or any other appellation, whatever. That means you must accept this line in mind always. And it is not any matter now. Are you Indian or are you Britisher? Are you American? Are you European or any other type of the countries? That is not important here. If you consider about or if everyone consider about it, then this is not important or this does not have any type of the importance that which type of the country you belong. One important aspect that was also given in this paragraph, I just request to complete it now in this video, that is page number 30. We have completed our essay here. Now the essay is complete, but the important lines I am reminding you, rereading now. The conception rereading is very important here. So some important lines of the essays, we just sum up it. We just sum up. We just sum up it with some type of the SUM, sum up it with some type of the points. Or here the basic thing that is written, that is on page number 30. It is important. Now at the last paragraph that is attached with this paragraph that we are going to start now. Is it possible to consider or it is possible to accept? Can we rightly accept it that we are the citizen of world? Can we rightly accept it? Or if we rightly accept it, it is good thing. But what there is today or what we feel today, what we think today, what is our mentality today, what is our psychology today, or how we can start to think today, that is given on page number 30. We are now become so much Englishman. लेकिन राइटर कह रहा है पता नहीं क्यों we are not accepting that we are the citizen of world. Why we are not accepting? But we don't accept it. Means क्योंकि we are now become so much Englishman. आज अपन इतने ज्यादा इंग्लिशमैन अंग्रेज बन गए, फ्रेंचमैन फ्रांस के निवासी बन गए, डचमैन डच के निवासी बन गए, स्पेनिडर्स स्पेन के निवासी बन गए और जर्मन्स जर्मनी के निवासी। ये 5 कंट्रीज के नाम केवल इसलिए आए कि ही जस्ट फोकसिंग अपॉन द कंट्रीज ऑफ यूरोप. यू मे कंसिडर इट विद अनदर टाइप ऑफ द कंट्रीज. नाउ वी बिकम सो मच इंडियन, नाउ वी बिकम सो मच अमेरिकन, नाउ वी बिकम सो मच जर्मन, स्पेनिडर्स, डचमैन, इंग्लिशमैन. अब आप इतने ज्यादा भारतीय हो गए, इतने ज्यादा जापानी हो गए, इतने ज्यादा फ्रांसीसी हो गए, इतने ज्यादा अमेरिकन हो गए कि अपने आप को एक अजीब सी फीलिंग होती है. इफ यू कैन फील इट अबाउट द यूनिटी ऑफ वर्ल्ड, इफ यू कैन से दैट वी आर द सिटीजन ऑफ वर्ल्ड. दिस इज द मेन पॉइंट टू बी फोकस्ड बाय द राइटर, दैट दिस टाइप ऑफ पैट्रियटिज्म, दिस टाइप ऑफ showing patriotism completely covered the country, that it seems something odd, it seems something strange to accept it that we are the citizen of the world. Even if we consider it, then there is very right message, there is very good message that we must consider about it. It is very good thing that was given by writer. लेकिन we are now become so much Englishmen, Frenchmen, Dutchmen, Spaniards, Germans, that we are no longer citizen of world. कि अब अपने आप को अपन ने अपना इतना मतलब संकुचित कर लिया, कॉम्प्लिकेट कर लिया कि अपने को वर्ल्ड से अलग सा महसूस करने लगे. अपन इतने ज्यादा अपने कंट्रीज के प्रति अपना शो करने लगे कि अपन ने अपने आप को वर्ल्ड से थोड़ा दूर सा कर. थोड़ी सी जो मेंटेलिटी है दैट बिकम वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, जटिल बन गई, संकुचित बन गई। सो मच द नेटिव ऑफ वन पर्टिकुलर स्पॉट, आज अपन इतने ज्यादा नेटिव निवासी नागरिक बन गए एक पर्टिकुलर स्पॉट कंट्री के लिए, जगह के लिए, एक पर्टिकुलर जगह के अपन इतने ज्यादा नागरिक बन गए और मेंबर वन प्रीटी सोसाइटी, एक छोटी सोसाइटी देश के मेंबर बन गए, that we no longer consider ourselves as the general inhabitants of the globe, that अपन अपने आप को इस पूरे ग्लोब के, वर्ल्ड के, संसार के इनहेबिटेंट्स नहीं कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, सोच ही नहीं रहे कि वी आर द सिटीजन ऑफ वर्ल्ड, बिकॉज वी फुली अटैच आवरसेल्व्स, वी फुली इन्वॉल्व इन आवर कंट्रीज, that there is no time to think about another country, there is not any time to consider about that we are the citizen of world, there is not any type of that feeling, that we no longer consider ourselves as a general inhabitant of the globe, the member of that grand society which comprehend the whole humankind, grand society। और एक और शब्द आया था यहाँ पे, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज ग्रैंड सोसाइटी, पर्टिकुलर वन, एक आया था पेटी सोसाइटी, पेटी एंड ग्रैंड सोसाइटी, दैट इज यूजिंग, पेटी सोसाइटी इज यूजिंग फॉर वन पर्टिकुलर कंट्री, ग्रैंड सोसाइटी इज यूजिंग फॉर द कंप्लीट वर्ल्ड। दिस इज द मेन अटैक ऑफ राइटर, दैट नाउ वी बिकम सो मच एक्साइटेड टू लिव इन वन पर्टिकुलर कंट्री, our mentality becomes so much complicated, limited, something abstract, that we are not considering ourselves as the citizen of the world, although the complete world is one family and we are a member of that broad family that is used by grand society. Keep mind, some type of the university exam, these type of the short question may be asked, to which the word grand society used in national prejudices, petty society used in national prejudices, one particular sport used in national prejudices, one particular sport that is used for one particular country, petty society that is used for single country, and broad society is used for the globe and the world. So these are basic difference between one particular country and the world. Finally, after this paragraph, I think that the conception that was given here, a line that is also important here, did these prejudices prevail only among the meanest or lowest of the people? Perhaps they might be excused, as they have few, if any, opportunities to correcting them by reading, traveling or conversing with foreigners. But the misfortune is that the infect the mind, the influences the conduct evil are gentlemen. Very important conception that was given. Writer says here, this type of the mentality, as we have just discussed, if it is found in normal person, if it is found in average person, common man, then we can improve it with reading or various types of the methods. अगर यह सोच, यह मानसिकता कि आप अपने देश से प्रेम करें और किसी अन्य देशों की उपेक्षा करें तो ही आपका प्रेम ज्यादा प्रदर्शित होगा। अगर यह मानसिकता सामान्य व्यक्ति में पाई जाए, औसत व्यक्ति में पाई जाए और एक कॉमन मैन जो ठीक ठाक पढ़ा लिखा है, एवरेज सा व्यक्ति है, उसमें पाई जाए तो वी कैन रिकवर इट। Then this is not the mistake, but this is misfortune. It is found in the great scholar there. If it is found in the great gentleman, the great learned person, knowledgeous person, highly reputed person, high class person, well educated person, highly educated person. That is the mistake. That is misfortune because we never recover it from them. ये एक उच्च स्तर के पढ़े लिखे व्यक्तियों में अगर पाई जाती है, इस प्रकार से मानसिकता, राइटर को संदेह है शायद ये ठीक नहीं हो सकती और यही दुर्भाग्य है. दिस इज मिसफॉर्चुनेट दैट इट इज फाउंड देयर. तो राइटर अटैक्स हियर. Who keeps this type of the mentality? All these type of the mentality are kept by the person who consider himself well educated, who consider himself well, you can say learned and great scholar. This is the mistake. So after this, we have completed our essay, that is Maison Prejudices. Every conception that is clear here. In our next class, we will start the new chapter. Thank you.